Good morning.
Good morning.
Giving first obedience to God, second to Pastor Thibodeau, ministers of full state, midday co-chairs, officers, members, and visiting friends. I am honored to introduce today's speaker. Our speaker was born October 15, 1963, to Ms. Ruth Banks and Mr. Solomon Easton. He's the third of 5 siblings, Nathaniel, Sheila, Solomon, Kenneth, and LaRonda. He's married 19 years to his lovely wife, Gilda. And has 2 brilliant sons. His hobbies are fishing, woodworking, and relaxing at home with family watching old karate movies. He is a 1983 graduate of L.E. Rubin Vocational High School. In 1985, he joined the U.S. Navy where he was served 3 years active duty traveling the world. After 21 years in the reserves, he retired with the rank of first-class petty officer. In 1989 through 1993, he worked with the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service as a forest firefighter located in California, Colorado, and Wyoming. In 1996, he joined the Causeway Police Department and is presently employed as a police officer. Our speaker was honored the Purple Heart because of his unselfish attitude and bravery as he assisted an elderly couple with a stalled vehicle and placed himself in harm's way. His favorite scripture is James chapter 1, verse 23. For if anyone is a hearer of the word and not a doer, he is like a man observing his natural face in a mirror.
All right, now.
He's a member of Sunday School class number 5, a youth director, a member of the deacon board, and the men's choir. Our speaker for today is my father, your brother in Christ, Brother Solomon Banks Sr.
If I could choose somebody with a word or song, if I could show somebody he is right, then wrong, then my living shall I be in vain. If I could do my duty
All right, now.
as a good man all. If I could bring back beauty to a world of love. If I could spread God's message that doesn't matter the toll in my living shall not be in vain. in my living shall not be in vain. Oh, my living shall not be in vain. That I could
Somebody.
go by.
Somebody, Lord.
That I alone. Church, my living shall not in my living if I could look back as I had alone, church, my living shall